has a long body and it's striped. Are you the one that took the detective's logbook?
Detective's logbook? I was hiding out under this rock all day.
Got the wrong guy. Okay, then is there another guy around here besides you who has a long body with stripes? He's carrying around this square-shaped thing.
A square-shaped thing? That guy is one scary dude. He likes to eat us. He even has venom, man.
Venom? He has a long body with stripes and poisonous venom, too. Robbie, draw some eyes on it. No way, a snake!
Captain, how can a snake live in the ocean when it's not a fish? It needs to breathe.
This is really boggling my mind.
Let's go after him!
Hey, you snake! Are you the one that took the detective's logbook?
Detective's logbook? Oh, you mean that square thing? It tasted so bad I spit it out.
So the culprit that took Coco's detective logbook was you! Now the mystery is solved!
A fish got away from me earlier, so I'm very hungry now. I think I'll eat you guys.
No, but we're not fish!
Ribby!
Gentlemen, let's go! The culprit that took Coco's logbook, mistaking it for fish, was none other than the sea snake. The sea snake can swim freely in the water thanks to its flat paddle-like tail.
But how can a snake live underwater?
Sea snakes may live in the ocean, but they breathe with their lungs, so every hour they have to swim to the surface and take a breath. Snakes that live in the ocean. Nature is really amazing.
The mystery is solved.